If you've lost access to your Gmail account and you don't have your password or phone number, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the safest way to recover your Gmail account using Google's official recovery process. This works best when you still have access to another recovery method like a recovery email, a trusted device, or a Google prompt on a device you're already signed into. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/sign-in/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page, and it's the correct place to start when you need to regain access to your Gmail account. Once the page loads, enter the Gmail address you want to recover, then click Next. Google will then begin the recovery process and try to confirm that you're the real owner of the account. At this point, if Google asks for a password or a phone number you no longer have access to, don't get stuck here. Instead, click Try Another Way. In many cases, you may need to click Try Another Way repeatedly until Google shows you more recovery options. This can take a few attempts, so be patient and keep following the prompts carefully. Depending on what Google has available for your account, you may be offered several recovery methods. One of the most common is a recovery email. If you still have access to that email address, Google may send a verification code there. Open that inbox, find the code, and enter it on the recovery page. Another option is a Google prompt on a signed-in device. If your Gmail account is still logged in on another phone, tablet, or computer, Google may ask you to approve the sign-in directly on that device. If you see the prompt, tap Yes or approve the request to confirm it's really you. You may also be asked to verify your identity using a previously used device or location. In that case, try to complete the recovery process on a device and network you've used before, such as your home Wi-Fi or your personal phone. Google often trusts familiar devices and locations more than new ones, so this can improve your chances of success. If Google shows you security questions or other identity checks, answer them as accurately as possible. Use the most recent and correct details you remember. Even small mistakes can cause the recovery attempt to fail, so take your time and do your best to match the information Google expects. If your recovery attempt is successful, Google will let you create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then confirm the new password and click Save. Once that's done, your account should be restored and you can sign back into Gmail normally. After you regain access, it's a good idea to update your recovery email, check your phone number, and review your security settings so you don't get locked out again in the future. That way, your account will be easier to recover if anything ever happens again. And that's it. That's how to recover your Gmail account without a password or phone number using Google's recovery options. If this helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.